Hey, my name is Bruce Gilson, and I want to welcome you to another episode of our Knowledge Basics. Today we're talking Coax. Let's get into the next real important phase. Let's say, okay, we've got the right cable, which in today's example, we are using RG59. And you say, I have the right type of connector, which in today's example, we have an RG59 connector, right? It sounds like it's starting to make sense. We also are gonna be using a compression connector. So I'm gonna use my compression tool with my compression connector.
Whoa!
So we got our wire stripper here that we talked about earlier. We're gonna take that wire strip, we're gonna put our cable in there, take in a cable to press to there. We're gonna rock it back and forth. We're not gonna twist because we don't want the strands to go around the center post. So we got that. So that's how you do that. And I'm gonna do that little Mr. Frizzy's thing that I talked about. We're gonna frizz that all out. And then inside of all of the connectors, there's going to be the center dialect post that you have to make sure that your center conductor slides into that center dialect, and it all feels a little bit different. On this particular connector, when I push it, I can feel like just this little click, and so I like that. I slowly begin to slide it in there, and I can feel this little click, and it's pretty satisfying. And then guess what? Now things get a little bit easier. I got the right connector, the right tool, the right cable. I'm feeling like this is gonna be a really solid connection. Right here, in this particular client tool, this piece lines up with the head of my BNC cable, and then there's like a knuckle inside here, and this knuckle grabs onto the back of my connector, and when I do this, did you hear that click? It just connected, it just clicked on. It was amazing. Hey, thanks for joining us. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure that you hit the subscribe and the bell and the like, and make sure you check out eventtech.av.com. We've always got fun and interesting things being added to our website as we venture out there in the world, and we're continuing to do installs and deploying large systems and event spaces. So we're so grateful that you joined us here today to learn something new, and we'll see you next time.